In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download the Trello app on your PC step by step. Whether you're using Windows or a Mac, I'll walk you through the entire process so you can get Trello installed and start managing your projects more efficiently. Trello is an incredibly powerful tool for organizing tasks, collaborating with teams, and keeping your workflow on track. So if you want the desktop version instead of just using it in your browser, this tutorial is for you. And if this video helps you out, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel for more simple and easy tech tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and go to Google. You can use Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. Once you're on the Google homepage, click on the search bar at the top of the screen. Now type in Trello Desktop and press Enter on your keyboard. This will bring up a list of search results related to Trello's desktop application. From the results page, look for the official Trello website link. You should see a result that says something similar to Trello, work from any device, in any browser, anywhere. Make sure you click on the official Trello link to avoid downloading anything from unofficial or unsafe websites. Once you click the link, you'll be taken to Trello's official website. From here, look for the section that mentions desktop apps or platforms. Trello provides options for different operating systems. If you are using a Windows PC, click on the Microsoft Store option. If you are using a Mac, click on the Apple App Store option. The website will redirect you to the correct store based on your selection. If you're on Windows, the Microsoft Store page for Trello will open. Here you'll see the Trello app listing along with details about the app, screenshots, and user reviews. To begin downloading the app, simply click on the Download or Get button. The Microsoft Store may ask you to sign in with your Microsoft account if you're not already signed in. Go ahead and sign in if prompted. Once you do that, the download will begin automatically. After the download finishes, the installation process will complete on its own. When it's ready, you can click Open directly from the Microsoft Store, or you can find Trello in your Start menu by typing Trello in the search bar. If you're using a Mac, after clicking the Apple App Store option, the Mac App Store will open to the Trello app page. Click the Get button, then confirm the installation if prompted. You may need to enter your Apple ID password or use Touch ID to approve the download. Once installed, you can open Trello directly from your Applications folder or Launchpad. When you open Trello for the first time, you'll be asked to log in. Enter your Trello account credentials, or sign in using Google, Microsoft, or Apple if that's how you normally access Trello. After logging in, you'll have full access to your boards, tasks, and workspaces right from your desktop. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Trello app on your PC. Using the desktop app can help you stay focused, receive notifications more reliably, and access your boards quickly without needing to open a browser every time. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow software guides just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.